What a nice day at work. Yeah, it's looking really snowy this time. I just really hope I don't go in first person and I'm not in a work. Please don't. Yay, I'm first person. Yay, I'm first person. Fuck, man! Fuck, I'm in a horror game, I'm a horror game, and wait, what's this called again? No, it's invisible for you guys. Neither of those are. I think what that's called. I think. Yeah, I think. Oh, I think. Okay, I think. Fuck, man, I think. Whatever. Oh, flashlight. I'll be taking that. I'll be taking that. I'll be taking that. I'll be taking that. Okay. Alright, I don't watch Victorious. Let's do this. Victorious, here we go. The fuck? The fuck? The fuck?
Attention, citizens of Robloxia.
I'm not a
We have an
citizen.
urgent alert. There has been a serious incident at a ski resort near your location, where
Okay.
an individual was injured by an unknown thing.
So,
Please avoid the mentioned area and report any unusual activity immediately.
I won't.
Additionally, there is a snowstorm approaching your county.
Wow,
In
I
order
didn't
to
notice
ensure
that.
your safety, please follow these guidelines. Stay indoors. Avoid unnecessary travel.
I don't care. I don't care. Get wood from the outside. Firewood shit. Place wood in the fireplace to keep the fire lit. I can't rap. I can't rap. Keep the fireplace lit all the time. So if it goes out, you die. What the fuck is that? Open the wardrobe in order to escape away delusional. That looks like the intruder. Winter one. These are the PC devices. Chasing away. I'm gonna be used by Blizzard. I don't care. I wanna get spit. Alright. So, what do I do? Can I just skip? Or? Nah, I think I'll wait. Can I turn it off? Oh, I can turn on lights. Okay. Really hope there's a power system. I never actually played this game before. Yeah, never actually played this. What's this room? Oh, it's my room. The minute. Can I sleep? No, I can't. Can I open this? Yes, I can. Can I open this? Yes, I can. Can I close this? Yes. Why can I go in? Chat, why can't I go in? Whatever, chat. I'm playing Overwatch. Alright, team. Go to middle, I'll head left, and wait, what do you do? Yo, bro, why did you leave it? You left me, you bitch. I hate Overwatch anyways. What's this room? Wait, isn't that just... Wait, is this a bathroom? No, wait, bathroom. Nice house. Yes, fine. Turn that motherfucker lights on. Why is this so scary with the lights on? Why is it so scary? Turn the lights on. What the? You scared? What the hell? What was that? Oh my god, what is that? I'm cold. Wait, what the? I'm cold. 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 What? Oh. 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 was hard. It's me. This game is called Night Blizzard, I think. Insert Christmas music, cosmetic shop. Well, let's check this bad boy out. Hello, what would you like to buy? Hats. Shot ended. Ugh. Don't ever have hats? Alright. There's no way anyone has this. 1,000 wins? What the fuck? What was this? Oh, fan art! Cool. Is that supposed to be the winter one? I don't wanna. Why does this game only have 10 players? But 2.1, 2.7. Bro, why does he look like the? Why does he look like the? That's a serious fan art though. Bro, that looks scary. Fucking scary. No, bro, I'm blinded. Get the fuck out. Wait a second. Wait a second. Is that what I think it is? Is that what I think it is? Is that what I think it is? Is that Among